His combos. My combos are unreal. Almost. Dang it. Oh, sorry. I didn't know you were there. So, yeah. Today, I am going to be playing some Dr. Mario. As you probably might know, I really like Dr. Mario. He's just a really fun character. Sorry, you can't start me. It's not his thing, so yeah. I just lost the link. If only his recovery was better. Dang. Yeah. Dr. Mario's pretty nice. It's really fun to play. Then just using some random matches. Yeah, that's it. All in all. Dang it. Oh, almost. There you go. And back now. I'm gonna finish you quick, Olimar. Only Mario. Only Dr. Mario. Olimar is Dr. Mario confirmed. I need to end you quick. My phone's about to die. Just die, Olimar. Nobody likes you anyway. By the way, if you liked Olimar, tell me in the comments. Because honestly, Olimar is really bad. Oh, come on, just die. There you go. So yeah, that was just some Dr. Mario free-for-all stuff. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.